Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I got a super confusing one for you guys today. So I think you'll really like this because we're going to really get into the thick of it. So let me just jump right in. So let's read the question. At noon, Bobby Buyer made an offer to purchase a single family residence. He instructed his real estate broker not to present his offer until 6 p.m. By 6 p.m., three more offers had been submitted. The real estate broker should A. Ignore the other offers, B. Present all offers to the property owners in the order they were submitted, C. Present all offers to the property owner simultaneously as soon as possible, or D. Wait until the seller acts on the first offer before presenting the other offers. So let's read the question and talk about where we are in the timeline. So at noon, Bobby Buyer made an offer to purchase a single family residence. He instructed his real estate broker not to present his offer until 6 p.m. By 6 p.m., three more offers had been submitted. So we are at a point where we are examining this timeline where 6 p.m. has happened already. So, that being said, basically, we have a situation where we have an offer on a property and we have three other offers on a property. So, what should we do? Should we ignore the other offers? Present all offers to the property owners in the order they were submitted? Present all offers to the property owner simultaneously as soon as possible, or wait until the seller acts on the first offer before presenting the other offers? Definitely not D. You don't wait for the seller to act on one and then go, oh, here's more. You don't do that. You don't ignore the other offers. So those two out of the question, not happening. No sirree, Bob. So now we're left with two other solutions. Present all offers to the owner in the order they were submitted, or present all offers to the property owner simultaneously, just as soon as possible. Shouldn't present them in any order other than here are all the offers. Let's consider them all at once. That is what should be happening. Now, you might sit there and say, well, is this a buyer's agent? Is this a seller's agent? Is this a whatever? It doesn't matter. You don't need that information to answer the question. Understand this, that a lot of times when you're answering a question, you're adding a lot of superfluous or additional stuff you do not need to help you understand what is being asked and to come to a conclusion as to what the answer truly is. So in this situation, the only thing that I thought was confusing is at what time are we speaking of right now? Where are we in the timeline? And what happens is it tells a very clear story. At noon, the buyer made an offer, said, don't present this till 6 p.m. Then by 6 p.m., three more offers had been submitted. So we are observing this at a time that 6 p.m. has happened. So now all they have to do is present all the offers to the property owner simultaneously as soon as possible. That is the answer. Guys, hope you like this one. If you did, remember, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share this with your friends, families, neighbors, whoever's getting their real estate license. Share it, share it, share it, because that's what helps grow the community. And also, links are down in the description box below. So if you need private lessons, you want to join our Facebook community, we have a ton of links down below. Would love for you to work with us in regards to our Facebook community, come on to our website, all that kind of stuff. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and we're going to see you real soon.